We're going to do bachata footwork, but we're going to do syncopation. We're going to start with our basic steps sideways. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, tap, 2, 2, 3, tap. So the first syncopation is going to be a double step. And what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And from here, we're going to do a cha-cha 1. So we're going to go together, together, cha, cha, and go into the basic again the other way. So if we do it one more time, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Yakata, ta, ta, yakata, ta, ta, yakata. Perfect. Cha-cha 1, 2, 3. Hips. Cha-cha 1. Hip, hip. Cha-cha 1, 2. Very light. Ta, ta, ta. Perfect. That is number 1, so that's a double step. Next, we have a triple step. So now instead of syncopating on the 4 and 1, we're going to syncopate on the 3 and 4. So it looks like this. You go with your right foot side. 1, 2, and now you're going to go 3, and on the and, you're going to go a little bit behind. And 4. And the key is don't place the back heel down. So when you do this, let's just move a little bit over here. As you take the right foot, you're going to go step 3 side. Now very small back step, ball flat. Almost like a little ball change, so replace. So if you go again, just those 3 steps, 3 and 4. One more time, so give me the hand here. Let's go right foot, we're gonna go 3 on the spot, and 4, exactly. Now we go the other way. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, just the basic, so we'll go left foot. 1, 2, 3, and now we're gonna go and 4, and 4. You got it. One more time this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step behind. 1, 2, step yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side together, side behind. Side together, side behind. Good, close your feet. Ya-ta-ta. Oh, now we're going. Ya-ta-ta. Okay, very good. 1, 2, 3. And you're just going to go on the spot. Cha-cha. Cha-cha 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha 1. Easy? Yeah. This one I know you like more. 2, 3. Cha-cha 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha 1. And now we'll do the triple. This is another easy one. Nice and light. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya, da, 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 da.